May month 27th day 2026 27/5/2026 Parabhava year Vaigasi month 13 Wednesday Julhage 9 morning till 9:14 Ekadasi Tithi, then Dwadasi. Morning till 8:42 Astam star, then Chittirai. Auspicious time morning 9:30 to 10:30, evening 2 to 3. Gauri auspicious time morning 10:30 to 11:30, evening 6:30 to 7:30. Rahu Kalam 12 to 1:30, Kuligai 10:30 to 12, Yamagandam 7:30 to 9.